You likely have a folder on your computer right now full of downloaded readings you swore you'd look at. Your notes are scattered, and you have at least 20 Chrome tabs open, eating up your memory. I took my entire chaotic digital footprint, course syllabi, side hustle plans, random PDFs, and dumped it into a single AI tool. In under 10 seconds, it indexed every file and mapped the connections between them. When it's time to actually sit down and study or build your business, you waste half your energy just trying to find where you left off. You aren't lazy, and you don't lack motivation. You are simply drowning in disorganized information. It creates a structural bottleneck that drains your focus long before the real work even begins. Most people try to fix this by pasting their notes into a standard chatbot. This unbounded AI architecture relies on a central node pulling chaotic data from the open internet. Typing specific queries into this blank void creates friction. The system lacks your personal context, becomes overwhelmed, and is forced to guess. True personal knowledge management requires a departure from the open web search model. It requires a completely different architectural structure. That structure is Google NotebookLM. Unlike standard chatbots, it operates strictly as a closed system. You isolate your information by uploading up to 50 specific, highly relevant sources at a time. This could be your lecture slides, your financial PDFs, or your book notes. 50 distinct documents fly into a locked boundary, forming a closed loop, a private, hyper-focused secondary brain cut off from the open internet. Being physically bounded, it cannot invent outside information. Your AI has zero hallucinations. If you command the system to extract a step-by-step business plan or a 10-question study guide from your specific PDFs, it generates answers with 100% accuracy to your actual materials. The true value of this constraint is how the AI proves its work. It generates clickable citations that take you right back to the exact paragraph in your original source files. When strictly isolated data is forced to interact with itself, new capabilities emerge. The tool automates dot connecting. Imagine uploading a dense traditional economics textbook right alongside a recent article about modern side hustles. Two distinct clusters of data, the rigid textbook and scattered article. The AI instantly generates glowing connective lines between them, cross-referencing texts to map overlapping trends you would never see on your own. To translate all of this newly synthesized data, you can use the Integrated Audio Overview feature. You click a single button, and the AI generates a realistic two-person podcast discussing the notes you just uploaded. It does hours of analytical thinking for you in seconds. You can literally listen to an engaging breakdown of your complex personal study materials while hitting the gym or walking to class. We should move past using AI solely for drafting generic emails or writing basic blocks of code. When properly constrained, it acts as a highly focused engine for mastering the knowledge you already own. You can bypass the information bottleneck by building localized intelligence to scale your own thinking. Hit the subscribe button right now to continue building your ultimate AI tool stack. What happens when you let AI completely take over your bank accounts to automate your personal finances? Find out next week.